Hello everyone, and welcome back to Podcast English, where learning English is simple and fun. I'm Lily.
Hi, Lily. Hello, everyone. I'm Ryan, and I'm happy to be here today.
Hi Ryan, how are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. It's useful and very important.
But before we start, everyone, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to click the like button.
And share this episode with your friends and family. It really helps us.
It really does.
Okay, Ryan, are you ready?
I'm ready.
So, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is, tell me about yourself.
Oh, yes. People hear this question everywhere. At school, at work, or when meeting new people.
Exactly. So today we'll make it easy and fun. Who should start?
Why do not you start?
Okay, my turn.
Let's begin with your name.
My name is Ryan. R-Y-A-N.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. I'm Lily.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Wow, I'm from the United Kingdom.
Do you live in a big city?
Yes, I live in a busy city. It's loud, but exciting.
I live in a small town. It's quiet and peaceful.
That sounds relaxing. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small house with a garden.
A garden. I love flowers.
What about you?
I live in an apartment. It's small but cozy.
Nice.
How old are you, Ryan?
I'm 30 years old. And you?
I'm 26.
Great age.
I think so too. What do you do?
I'm a travel photographer.
That sounds amazing.
I travel and take pictures of beautiful places. What about you?
I'm a university student.
What do you study?
I study graphic design. I love creating art.
That's creative. Perfect for a podcast team.
I agree. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Older or younger?
Younger? He's 22. What about you?
I have one older sister.
What does she do?
She's a nurse.
That's a wonderful job.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog named Rocky.
Rocky. That's a strong name.
He's very friendly and playful. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat named Snow.
Let me guess. White?
Of course. Let's talk about favorite food.
Easy. I love burgers.
Really? I love sushi.
That's healthier than burgers.
Maybe.
What's your favorite color?
Purple. It feels calm and elegant.
Mine is blue, like the ocean.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy hiking and listening to music.
What kind of music?
Classic rock. And you?
I enjoy drawing and reading novels.
That sounds relaxing. Do you like movies?
Yes, I love romantic comedies.
I like action movies.
That doesn't surprise me.
Why not?
Because you like adventure. Is there food you don't like?
I don't like mushrooms.
Really? I love them.
I don't like olives.
Really? I like them.
We're different again.
I don't like very spicy food. Very hot food is too much for me.
I understand. A little spice is okay, but very, very spicy? No, thank you.
Oh, yes, and I really don't like waking up very early.
Not a morning person, huh?
Definitely not. Sleep is important.
Totally agree. So when someone asks you to describe yourself, you can talk about what you like and don't like. It shows your personality.
Exactly. Simple and friendly.
Okay, moving on. I've been curious, what skill would you love to learn instantly?
I'd love to speak French fluently. It sounds so beautiful. You?
I think I'd love to play the guitar. Music fascinates me.
That's amazing. Maybe one day we can practice together.
I'd love that. Speaking of practice, do you exercise?
Yes, I do yoga every morning. Helps me relax.
I usually jog in the mornings. Gives me energy for the day.
We have very different routines. Do you like cooking?
Sometimes, I enjoy making pasta. Simple but delicious. You?
I love baking cakes and cookies. It's so creative and fun.
I tried baking once. Disaster. But practice makes perfect.
Maybe I can give you a few tips next time.
Deal! So, movies. What kind do you enjoy?
Comedy and animated movies. I love laughing. You?
I prefer documentaries. Learning new things while watching is fun.
That's cool. Do you play any games?
Occasionally. Puzzle games on my phone. You?
I play board games with friends on weekends. Lots of fun.
Sounds enjoyable. How about travel? Any dream destinations?
Japan. The culture, the food. I'd love to visit. You?
Europe. Italy and France are on top of my list.
Amazing! Traveling really teaches you so much about life and people.
Absolutely. Do you have a favorite season?
Spring. Flowers everywhere. Perfect weather. You?
Autumn. I love the colors and the crisp air.
Nice combination. Let's talk about pets. We already mentioned Max and Luna, but do you want more pets someday?
Maybe a rabbit or a parrot. You?
I'd love a small dog someday. We'll see.
That would be fun. So, favorite hobbies besides what we mentioned?
Painting, reading adventure stories, and sometimes writing little notes. You?
Listening to music, playing soccer, and trying new recipes. Also, I like photography sometimes.
Oh, photography! That's so creative. We could go on a little photo trip one day.
Sounds perfect. I enjoy outdoor activities too.
Same here. Nature is so relaxing.
Definitely. Now, dreams. If you could choose any dream job,
I'd love to run my own art studio one day. You?
I hope to write a book and teach online courses. Sharing knowledge is rewarding.
That's inspiring. You'll do great, I'm sure.
Thanks, Lily. It's fun talking about all these things with you.
Yes! I feel like we could talk for hours.
And it's a great way to practice English naturally.
Exactly. Every conversation teaches you something new.
True. So, next time we could talk about technology, music, or favorite recipes.
Perfect. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. It's been a wonderful conversation today.
Agreed. Thank you for sharing so much, Ryan.
Thank you, Lily. And thanks to everyone listening. Don't forget to subscribe and share.
Yes, and leave a comment telling us a little about yourself. We'd love to read it.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.